Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novananda. I'm from class 2A Management. I will retell the journal herding investor behavior in extreme condition during COVID-19. Indonesia stock market study compiled by Rizal Abdul Jabbar Sadiwo and Dwi Cahyaningdia from the Management Department, Faculty of Economics, Semarang State University, Indonesia. Abstract part. Herding behavior as a financial behavior is defined as the tendency of investor to imitate other decisions without prudent consideration. The aim of this paper is to analyze the effect of investor herding behavior in extreme market conditions during COVID-19 pandemic on the Indonesia stock market. The data used in this study is cross-sectional absolute deviation of stock return and market return. The sample were analyzed using CCK 2000 method and robustness test using then 2008 method with help of the EVIOS 12 application. The empirical result of this study found the effect of investor herding behavior during extreme conditions of COVID-19 pandemic and during various market period. Meanwhile, no effect of herding behavior was found during various market period on the Indonesia stock market. Introduction part. In economic and finance, herding or herd behavior is the process where economic agents are imitating each other action or base their decision upon the action other. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic on March 9, 2020. The economic slowdown caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a domino effect from health to social and economic problems. This condition then affects all sectors of the company and their share price in Indonesia. During the first quarter of 2020, Indonesia's GDP grew positively by 2.97%, while GSX corrected deeply -38%. Then, during the second until fourth quarter of 2020, Indonesia's GDP contracted negatively -5.32%, -3.49%, and -2.19%, while GSX grew by 65%. Then, there are several basic factors that influence investor behavior according, namely fear, love, great optimism, tendency to focus on recent experience, operation in line, tendency to overestimate oneself and one's knowledge, as well as instinct to follow other investors. Then, the cause of herding behavior is that investor possess the same information as happened is emerging market which have limited micro information and focus more on macro information. Several impacts of herding behavior, namely the emergence of various phenomena such as increased stock price fluctuation, falling price, cylinder effect, difference in stock return, not forming an equilibrium between price and stock fundamental variables, making the market go relatively in a efficient direction with the confront the efficient market hypothesis. Review related to the literature part. The extreme market condition period is used to provide a more comprehensive analysis coverage during the stock market crash and hyperbolic market period during the COVID-19 pandemic Indonesia. Then, the extreme market condition pattern has a similar pattern to the GSX patterns that occurred during the EFC 1998 and GFC 2008 suspected that the negative sentiment weakened the equilibrium of the global stock market, including Indonesia, so that it was corrected very deeply by minus 38% during the first quarter of 2020. However, this phenomenon is contrary to Indonesia economic growth in the first quarter. During the second to fourth quarter of the ASEAN Stock Exchange shot up where the Indonesia Composite Index experienced an appreciation of 65%. However, this phenomenon is contrary to the economic condition of the Indonesia country and in the second to fourth quarter which contracted successively. Method of the research part. The type of research used in associative research with a quantitative approach. The sample used in this study were 80 companies included in the IDX 80 index for the February 2020 period because it is an index that measures the stock price performance of 80 issues with relatively large market capitalization, high liquidity, and good fundamental. Then, the secondary data used in this study include closing price of 80 research samples, GSX closing level, GSX high and lows, and GSX daily volume. The research data was obtained from observation on www.idx.co.id and www.finance.yahoo.co.id, with the daily data period used is January 2, 2020 to January 29, 2021. Finding and discussion part. Descriptive statistical analysis in this study drug review 12 software includes number of observation, minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation. If the classical assumption that is made, the regression estimation with ordinary least square will be best linear unbiased estimator, meaning that decision making through the F-test and T-test told not be based. In the study, there are four classical assumption tests, including normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, and autocorrelation test. General model analysis. Based on the result of general model regression tests using the ordinary least square method, the coefficient of market return square is minus 0.54. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is an effect of investor hedging behavior on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the extreme market condition period of the COVID-19 pandemic. The coefficient of determination R2 general model value is 0.28. This means that the ability of the independent variable variation, 72%, can be explained by other factors not included in the study. Investors tend to secure their portfolio risks and then to follow market consensus without considering the company fundamental analysis. Bearish market model analysis. Based on the result of bearish market model regression using ordinary least square method, the coefficient of market return square is minus 3.72. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is an asymmetric effect of investor hedging behavior on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during bearish market condition period of COVID-19 pandemic. The coefficient of determination L2 bearish market model value is 0.20. This means that the ability of the independent variable variation 80% can be explained by other factors not included in this study. This phenomenon confirms the research finding of the effect of hedging behavior where investors tend to ignore prudent analysis. Phillips market model analysis. Based on the result of Phillips market regression test using the ordinary least square method, the coefficient of market return squared is minus 1.36495. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is no effect of investor hedging behavior on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during Phillips market condition of COVID-19 pandemic. The coefficient of determination R2 bearish model value is 0.39. This means that the ability of independent variables variation 61% can be explained by other factors not included in this study. The stock market crash that occurred during Q1 2020 This phenomenon triggered massive investor buying action so that the Indonesia stock market shot up to 65% until Q4 2020. On the other hand, provide positive sentiment for market participants. Robustness test. Based on the result robustness test regression, it can be concluded that high volume model and low volume model succeeded in identifying effect of herding investor behavior on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during extreme market conditions of COVID-19 pandemic, while high volatility model and low volatility model did not. Conclusion and recommendation part. This study aims to identify and analyze investor hedging behavior on the Indonesia stock market during extreme condition COVID-19 pandemic. The effect of investor hedging behavior was found on general, model, and various market condition COVID-19. Well, on the bullish market condition, it was not. Suggestion for further research can develop a more comprehensive method to identify investor hedging behavior on the stock market. Then the advice for investor when there is an indication that the stock market will enter an extreme condition phase can immediately secure their investment portfolio to avoid large capital loss. And then, when the stock market has corrected deeply, investor can wait and see and conduct prudent fundamental analysis to obtain maximum capital gains if the stock market enters a bullish reversal phase. Uh, so that's all from me. I do apologize for every single mistake. And thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.